From the previous tutorial, we had this scissors image drawn. Now we are going to follow up this lesson and make this scissors look realistic. We can begin so by rubbing out this negative space in the thumb grip of the scissors. In rubbing out this space, we are making the scissors stand out and look three-dimensional. This drawing is best done with the scissors on front of you in the same position it was when it was drawn using the acetate. Notice how I fully didn't rub out the thumb hole. This is because there is a slight bit of shade up at the top. Now we can rub around the handle as well, making the scissors figure stand out. Notice how already the figure is looking realistic. We can then highlight the areas inside the figure of the scissors which may be shiny, such as this edge here. Rubbing out this edge makes it stand out and look like there is light shining on it in our drawing. When we are doing this drawing, we are constantly looking back at the scissors, looking at what we see. What lines stand out to us, what edges are shiny, what edges are dark, what lines are shiny, what lines are dark, where the shade is. Working from section to section of the drawing, concentrating on one area at a time. Here I have seen some shade underneath the scissors, so I shall draw it in here. A good tip sometimes is to smudge the shade with your finger after you have inserted it. This will make the tone look a little less subtle. The top handle of the scissors is already looking lifelike. This edge here stands out to me as being shiny or as being brighter than the other edges. Therefore, I shall rub some of it out. The rubber is used in a positive way. Most people associate the rubber with making a mistake or doing something wrong. But here we are using the rubber constructively, and we are rubbing in as well as maybe rubbing out. Notice as how I get through the drawing, I can always go back and touch up an area of it if I am not happy with it. If I see another shade or another line I might have skipped over. This drawing should take you about 35 to 45 minutes. Take your time and do it as neatly as you can, and as realistically as you can. With practice and time, drawings like this and other even harder drawings will become easy to you. Use different tones of pencil to put different tones of lines in. Here I am using a 6B or a 5B to apply some dark shade. A 2B or a 3B may be used to insert some lighter shade. As you become used to sketching, you will know the desired effect and the effect which each pencil can give you. Drawing can be very enjoyable, and just like anything else, practice makes perfect.